Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Facts in 5 Minutes. You guys know I love tech, but even I have to admit some things about the future are downright unsettling. Today, we're diving into 5 scary facts about AI. Yeah, you heard that right, AI. It's not all self-driving cars and personalized recommendations, people. This stuff has the potential to get seriously creepy. Let's get started.
Okay, first up, let's talk about AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence. Now, this isn't your grandma's Roomba learning how to navigate around the house. This is next-level stuff. We're talking about AI that can learn and understand like we do, but on a way more massive scale. Think problem-solving, abstract thinking, even consciousness, potentially. The scary part? This kind of AI could become so intelligent that it surpasses human capabilities. I mean, we're talking way beyond just being able to beat us at chess. This is AI making decisions about the future, about resources, about, well, everything. And if its goals don't align with ours, that's when things get really interesting. And by interesting, I mean terrifying.
Next up, we're diving into the world of deepfakes. And let me tell you this one straight out of a Black Mirror episode. We're talking about AI that can create videos and images that are so realistic, it's almost impossible to tell they're fake. Imagine seeing a video of a politician saying something outrageous only to find out later it was completely fabricated. This technology is already being used to spread misinformation and manipulate people, and it's only going to get more sophisticated. Think about the implications for elections, for social movements, for just basic trust in the information we consume every day. It's a recipe for chaos, and it's one of the scariest things about AI right now.
Now let's talk about jobs, because AI isn't just coming for our sanity, it's coming for our livelihoods too. As AI gets smarter and more capable, it's going to start automating jobs that humans used to do. We're not just talking about factory workers here either. Truck drivers, lawyers, even doctors, AI is coming for them all. This mass job displacement could lead to massive economic instability and inequality. I mean, what happens when millions of people are suddenly out of work and there are no jobs for them to go to? It's a recipe for social unrest, and it's a problem we need to start thinking about now.
Now let's talk about privacy, because if you thought Facebook knowing what you had for breakfast was creepy, just wait until AI gets involved. These AI systems are data-hungry beasts, and they need massive amounts of information to learn and function. That means companies are collecting more data on you than ever before, from your browsing history to your location data to your biometric information. This data can be used for all sorts of things, from targeted advertising to predictive policing. And while some of that might seem harmless, it also raises serious concerns about surveillance and control. I mean, do you really want AI algorithms making decisions about your life based on your data? It's a slippery slope, and it's one we need to be very careful about.
And finally, let's talk about the one that keeps me up at night, the weaponization of AI. We're talking about autonomous weapons systems like killer drones that can make life or death decisions without any human intervention. This is some seriously scary stuff, people. Imagine a world where machines are deciding who lives and who dies without any accountability or oversight. It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer than you think. This technology has the potential to change the face of warfare forever, and not necessarily for the better. We need to be having serious conversations about the ethics of AI and setting clear boundaries before it's too late.
There you have it, 5 scary facts about AI in the future. We covered everything from super intelligent machines to job-stealing robots to privacy-violating algorithms. It's enough to make you want to throw your smartphone out the window and hide in a bunker, right? But hey, maybe I'm just being paranoid. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below how you feel about the future of AI. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more 5 Facts in 5 Minutes. Thanks for watching.